Hey guys, at this point in the video, you are very much aware that our Mustang is in need of a new engine. Now, we originally had our heart set on a 347 stroker. However, the folks here at All Pro Mechanics in San Francisco gave us an option of buying a 306 that they had prepared for another customer. This customer decided to go in another direction, which provided us the opportunity to purchase this engine at a great price. Now that the old engine is out of the vehicle, we decided it was the perfect time to add some additional upgrades. Here's a list of just some of the items that will be included. Although our project is moving along as planned, we're not out of the woods yet. Our new engine is based on a late model engine block, which doesn't have provisions for our Z-bar linkage for a 4-speed manual transmission. As a result, we'll have to install an aftermarket Z-bar adapter bracket, and we're unsure if these modifications will clear our JBA long tube headers. Going forward, we'll also have to make decisions regarding engine cooling, air conditioning, and power steering. To follow this project, as well as many other builds coming up in the weeks and months to follow, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if it's loud and fast, usually nearby, there's the smell of gas.